Hello students, the topic for today's video is Introduction of Digestion and Absorption. The whole human physiology unit is very important from the NEET point of view. So prepare it really well and revise it before the examination. Let us see the questions. The major components of food are: first, carbohydrates, vitamins and proteins. Second, carbohydrates, proteins and minerals. Third, proteins, fats and carbohydrates. Or fourth, carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals. The answer is third, proteins, fats and carbohydrates. Vitamins and minerals are considered as micronutrients, whereas carbohydrates, proteins and fats are the major components of food which make up the macronutrients. Moving on to the next question. The human digestive system consists of first, esophagus, stomach, intestine and anus. Second, alimentary canal and associated glands. Third, esophagus and associated glands. Fourth, esophagus, stomach, intestine, anus, liver, etc. The answer is second, alimentary canal and associated glands. Those who must have read the NCERT well might think that these are very easy questions, but when in the examination hall you read these kind of questions, you don't remember the answer. So I know this might be the easy level, but I will be increasing the level in my further videos. First, please be thorough with these basic topics and then move on to higher level. Next question. The alimentary canal is first, an anterior opening mouth and it opens posteriorly through the anus. Second, an opening oropharynx and ends in the opening of stomach. Third, an opening mouth and it ends at orogastric sphincter. Or fourth, an opening esophagus and ends at the opening of stomach. Once again, this is a line from NCERT. The answer is first, the alimentary canal is an anterior opening mouth and it opens posteriorly through the anus. Next question, select the incorrect statement from the following. So, while reading the question, don't be in a hurry. Underline the incorrect word and then start reading the options. And I will advise you to tick the correct option which you think the option is correct and cross the answer which you think is incorrect, and then read the question again if it is asking incorrect or correct, then tick the option. That will help you to minimize the error. So the first option is the mouth leads to the buccal cavity. Second, each tooth is embedded in a socket of face bone. Third, an adult human has 32 permanent teeth. Or fourth, none of these. So the answer is second, each tooth is embedded in a socket of face bone. It is not the face bone. Please find out from the NCERT and comment down which bone it is. Human dentition is first, thecodont, second, diaphyodont, third, heterodont, or fourth, all of these. So these are very important terms. Thecodont means that the human teeth are embedded in the socket of the bone, which you will find out. Second, diaphyodont, because we have deciduous teeth as well as permanent teeth. Third, heterodont, we have 4 types of teeth, namely incisors, canines, premolars and molars. So the answer is all of these. The hard chewing surface of the teeth responsible for mastication of food is first, made up of only calcium phosphate. Second, made up of enamel. Third, made up of only calcium carbonate. Or fourth, made up of dentine. So the answer is yes. The hard chewing surface of the teeth responsible for mastication of food is made up of enamel. The tongue is a freely movable muscular organ attached to the floor of the oral cavity by the stalk, isthmus, falciform ligament, or frenulum. You must know this answer because this is a previous year question. The answer is fourth, frenulum. Next question. The upper surface of the tongue has many projections called papillae. First, some of which contains healing property. Second, all of which contains taste receptors. Third, all of which contains touch receptors. Or fourth, some of which contains taste receptors. The answer is fourth, some of which contains taste receptors. There are different types of papillae found on the surface of the tongue. Some of them are touch receptors as well. So read a little bit about it. It is not that important because that will be out of NCERT, but just have a brief knowledge about it. The common passage for food and air is, this is a very easy question. First, pharynx. How many permanent premolars are there in humans? First, 0, second, 2, third, 1, or fourth, 3. So, you might know the answer of this question, but your answer might get incorrect because you can get confused between 2, 2, 3, 1, 4, 3. These options are very confusing. So please be very careful while marking the sheet. So the answer is, 2. We have 2 permanent premolars. So just remember the formula of 2123 upon 2123, and for the deciduous one it is 2102 upon 2102. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment and share.